Okay everyone, so in this tutorial I'm just going to show you on how we can go and enter the BIOS system of a computer unit. So you will see here that I have a NEC laptop, an A10 AMD MSI motherboard, and here I have a Core 2 Duo machine from Intel. So you would see that when you try to go and enter the BIOS system and you would want to go and do some installation or setting up for your operating system, this is going to be an initial part of you becoming a computer service um, computer technician. And one of the things that you have to know will be on how to enter this BIOS system. So I'm just going to exit first here, and I'm not going to save any changes, and discard changes. And here I will press on F2 for this NEC computer so that I will be able to enter the BIOS system. On the case of my AMD A10 machine, as you can see in the description, it's an AMD A10 machine. The good thing about some of the new motherboards, they actually have this, guys. They give you a description of what the motherboard is, unlike the older versions that doesn't have a graphical representation of the motherboard that will give you instructions on what the motherboard is all about. But I will not be tackling that for now. But what I want to show you here is that if you would want to go and exit this, let me just go and get my keyboard here. I'm going to exit, quit without saving. And in this case, there are some computer system units that will be showing you a brief overview on how you can enter the BIOS system. But the problem with some computer units, it's a little bit too fast. They actually boot too fast and they don't show you the screen on how you can go and enter the BIOS system. So the possible keyboard keys that you can use will be F2, F8, F11, and the delete key. In this computer system unit that I have, which is the A10, I'm going to use the delete key so that I can enter the BIOS system, or the F11 so that I can choose the boot menu. So I press the delete key to enter the BIOS system for this MSI device, and in this case, similar with the NEC computer, let me just go and exit this. So in this case, for this computer system unit, it's a Core 2 Duo Intel Core machine or Intel Core 2 Duo machine. So I'm going to also use the F2 keyboard key. So that's how you enter the BIOS system for an Intel Core 2 Duo E7500